Why does your scanner show the P0942 engine code? What does it mean? P0942 is a diagnostic trouble code for hydraulic pressure unit. This engine code indicates that this means there is a problem with the transmission's hydraulic pressure system, which is responsible for engaging and disengaging clutches and shifting gears. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, faulty transmission filter, malfunctioning hydraulic pressure unit, electrical or wiring problems, faulty TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford Freestyle, Ford Edge, and Mazda 3. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.